Alright everyone, in this lesson we will talk about using hyperlinks to navigate to files. I've prepared several files in today's directory for you to download from GitHub. Among these files, there are some that can be directly opened in the browser, such as a PDF file, a JPEG file, an MP4 video, and a GIF. For example, this GIF file can be dragged directly into a browser to open it. Similarly, this MP4 video file can also be dragged into the browser and played. In other words, a browser can act as a player for videos and images. There's even a progress bar for the video that you can drag it. The PDF file can also be dragged into the browser and viewed directly. However, the zip file cannot be opened directly in the browser. You can try dragging it into the browser. It won't open. Instead, the browser will ask if you want to download it, right? Alright, let's create some links for these resources to see if we can open them by clicking the links. After writing the links, we'll open them in the browser. Clicking the image works without any issue. The video plays automatically. The GIF works, and the PDF opens as well. Good. These are files that a browser can open directly. Let's add a comment to note this. Now, what if we have files that the browser can't open directly? Let's try that as well. When you click on the link, the browser won't open the file directly, but will prompt you to download it, right? Okay, how about what if there's a requirement that for files that can be opened in the browser, we don't want them to open directly, but instead trigger a download, similar to the zip file. Let's add a comment. Files that can open in the browser but should trigger a download. For example, if I duplicate this video file link, clicking its link in the browser will automatically open and play it, right? To make it download instead of play, we just need to add a download attribute to the A tag. Let's test it. When you click the link, the browser now prompts you to save the file, right? Did you notice that the browser automatically suggests a file name? Can we change this default file name? Yes, we can. Simply add a value to the download attribute. This value will be used as the default file name when saving the file. Cool. Okay, let's summarize today's lesson. Files that can be directly opened in the browser will open normally when you click the link. If the file cannot be opened by the browser, it will automatically guide you to download it. If you want to force a file to download, you can add the download attribute to the A tag. The value of the download attribute is the default file name that the browser will use when saving the file. If you don't provide a value, the browser will use the original file name by default. That's all for this lesson.